All right, so I want to talk to you about Vizzlie. Vizzlie is a scheduling program that is very similar to SendShare. So I know that you can schedule posts on Facebook. You can go in and you can schedule them, but it's so much nicer to be able to create a template and be able to go click, 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 and have all 10, 20, 30, 50 of your posts, how many ever posts you have in a party all at one time. Just have them all scheduled. I'm going to show you real quick. There's a lot more features in this program than what I will show you, but I just want to give you the gist of how it works. A couple things. One, I prefer Vizzlie because it's a little bit cheaper than SendShare. I also prefer Vizzlie because I can create a template and I can create it to post at the exact times that I wanted to post. SendShare is a little bit trickier and I don't care for that part of it. So if you're wanting to create a template and have that just post, this is perfect. So first things, you're going to go here on the left, it's going to show groups. So you can see here it shows Michelle, Leslie, and Amy's groups. Now in order for me to be able to post into a group page, you do have to like link it, or you have to allow that Facebook group to use that app as a scheduling poster, if that makes sense. They changed that maybe a couple years ago, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. I have my Facebook open. I have a past party that I have done. So on the left over here, I'm going to scroll down, maybe, and then you're going to go to settings. See settings here on the left, and this is how easy it is. You have to do this on the computer though. You cannot do this part from your phone. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and see where it says apps here. I'm going to click on this little deal here. I'm going to click on add apps, and then I'm going to go over to the left where it says search, and just for time's sake I'm going to put in Vizzlie. There is Vizzlie, so I'm going to click on Vizzlie, and it's going to ask if I want to add this app to the group. And yes, I do want to add it, and this is just going to allow Vizzlie to schedule into my group. That's how easy that is. So you have to do that. Like I said, you have to do it on your computer. You cannot do it from your phone. Now, when you go on Facebook, it's going to show groups. So if I click on groups, you're going to have to track your groups, and that is basically connecting the group into your Vizzlie account. We allowed Vizzlie to schedule by going to Facebook and allowing it, but now we're going to track it. So these three parties here, you can see Amy's party has one post left here, and then Leslie and Michelle's parties I have going on this week, and this is how many posts are left, and I will show you that in just a minute. But the one, let's see, can't find group. I might have to refresh so it shows up. Maybe. Hopefully it shows up. Maybe it takes a little bit to show up. If it does, then I'll go show you a couple other things and then we will come back. But basically what you're going to do once that shows up, I'm not sure why it's not doing that, unfortunately. Once it does that, then I'm just going to click on track group. So for example, this is my group page. I could click on track group and it's going to ask if I want to track it. I'm going to click yes. And then it's going to move it up into this section. So that just is moving it up here to allow me to post to it. So for some reason, it's just not refreshing and just not showing up on here. So in this group here, so for example, I can click, well here, I'm going to click on this one because I just scheduled to this. So I'm going to open this group and it's going to show you all of the posts that I did. So if I scroll down here, see all the scheduled posts. So it's going to show me that these have already posted. This is going to post tomorrow at this time. This is going to post. So you can scroll through and see what posts are going to be scheduled. So this is my 2-day party format. So these are all of the posts in here. So if you want to see the post, if for some reason you're not ready to start your party yet, you can turn this off. I can click this off and it's going to stop all of your posts on there. So for some reason, maybe your hostess didn't invite their guests yet, a couple posts posted, but you don't want any more to post yet, you can go ahead and do that. So that is how you connect them. Now, here's the fun part, making your templates. You can do track pages and events too. I just do all of my parties in group pages. So if you do your parties in an event format, you can also connect it to an event if that makes sense. Down here is where you're going to create your templates. Now, this is, I'm going to give you a couple tips that I did not do. So here is your images gallery. Now, you can see I have folders here. So for example, I have 11-inch images in my sizing post. You do want to have, so when you upload your images down here, I would recommend clicking upload, and you can do this from your phone. For me, it was easier to do it from my phone because all my images are on the phone and it shows up the exact here. So what you would do, and I can actually show you this. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to show you. So for example, let's say I want a folder for just leggings. So I'm going to do a folder leggings, and that is going to be my leggings post, whatever I would post in that. So here's my leggings folder. So if I go down here, go to all my images. Sorry if I'm going fast. If you have questions or you're not sure about things, please let me know. I'm going to scroll down to something. So this would probably be in my leggings folder. So then I can turn around and I can move this to that specific folder and move the image. So instead of having one big folder that says all images, because when I uploaded them, that's what I did. I want to take all of these and I want to individualize these. That probably didn't make sense, but if you have tanks or you have, whatever it is you have, jackets or, make sure you create folders and then create all your folders that you want and then upload these into folders. Otherwise, it makes it a little more complicated, and your pictures are not as organized. So that is one tip for you right off the bat. So you can have all your pictures in here. Now what you're going to do, you can also upload videos. So here are some videos that I have uploaded. I have a testimony from someone. I have my third party video. I have a video from Aaron Bradley talking about what Zaya is. I have a quick little 15-second workout video. I share that in my party. The day 2 in the morning just says, what kind of workouts do you do? Showing a picture of or a video of me. And this one here is actually my product video. So instead of me going live, I share a video. I do smaller lives throughout my party, but I found that part of the reason I do this business is to free up my time. So I created a 20-minute video that highlighted my favorite 2-3 pairs of leggings, the differences, my couple tanks, a couple sweatshirts. I just condensed it and did it in one video. You can do it however you want. If you want to still do your lives, I do my live welcome video, and then I will go live each day and show my outfit of the day, but this is my main product video. You can do it however you want, but instead of me doing a long half-hour, 45-minute, this real long live video, I got away from that because it was taken away from my family. So now I just have that video that I post in there. So you can upload any kind of videos, and you do it the same way. So you just upload your videos and you could create folders for each of these if you have a whole bunch of videos. The only downfall is you can't, in your templates, have videos and pictures, or at least I haven't been able to figure it out yet. But here is the best part. This is your template. So now you can have email campaigns. You can also have texting campaigns. So if you see people saying, hey, text this word to this number and you can get signed up for my yada yada, that's what this is. You can go in and create a template and have it all ready to go. And if somebody signs up for that, you can create a template and send out your new releases every single week to your customers. So that is really cool. Email campaigns, basically the same thing. If you want to email all your customers, they just have to sign up for that. But the best part is your template. So this is my 2-day party template. So when I shared in the very beginning, the 2 parties that I already had posts going, this is my template. This is everything. So it shows 5 days before, 4 days before, 1 day, the exact date. I have my post for 2 days scheduled almost every hour. And then the last day of the party, and then I do one party or one post a few days after the party with some tips on how to care for their Zaya. And then the following new release day, I do a reminder post to join my group page to get those new releases. But everything is in here. Now, if I want to go and update this template, so for example, I want to go in and I want to edit this time. Maybe I want to move this post to 2 o'clock. I could go in, I could click on the time, I could change the time, I could edit the wording. If I want to change something, I can scroll down, I can take out images, I can upload images, I can do all of that in here. So if you want to modify it, you can. And then if you want to connect this to your group, so I'm going to go back to my groups, and here is this is my group page. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to go use template. Now, if I just want to do a post, I can do that too. So if you want to schedule to your VIP this way, you can totally do that. And then I'm going to pick what template. So if I have 5, 6, 10, 20 templates to choose from, I can pick the one I want. Right now, I only have one in here. Now I'm going to pick the start date of my actual party, not today. So I start my parties I do them Wednesday, Thursday. So if I put in Wednesday, I'm going to put in 7 a.m. because my first post, I think, is at 7:30 a.m. or something along that line. Now I'm going to click all posts, but if for some reason you only want certain posts to post, I can click on which ones I want to post and which ones I don't want to post. So if I click on all posts, I can load that template. And this is what's going to happen. Now, these are all going to be scheduled into my group page. How cool is that? Like, that's how quickly I was able to do that. So once you have your template made, all I have to do is connect my group, go to my group page, upload the template into my group, and I'm done. I mean, that took me maybe 2 minutes to do. The hard part or the longer part is going to be creating that template. So scroll back down. So if I go to templates and I go to Facebook, I want to create a new template. So let's say I'm going to create a launch party template. And this would be for brand new reps. When they join, they can just upload all of these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a brand new post. Now, this is going to be the tricky part you're going to figure out. So you're going to want to, so for example, I scheduled that one on Wednesday. If I wanted a post to post on Tuesday, then that would be 1 day before starting time. And then you can put exact time and put in the time. So if I have my post start Wednesday at 7 a.m., this is going to post Tuesday at 2 a.m. because it's going to post 1 day before the start time. And then at this time, I can do a title, which maybe would be your welcome post. And then I can put in my post, obviously, actually type something in there. And then I can attach my image or a video. So if I want to do image, this is going to be my image gallery down here. Those are going to be all the images that you should have already uploaded. Maybe I want to use this one. It's going to put it right up here. So that's how you're going to be able to see your select images. I'm going to hit create. That is my first post. So then I go in and create my next post. So if you have 10 posts for your launch party, that is how easy it is. SendShare is way different. You have to batch your posts and it's a little more complicated. I can share this template. So if I complete the template and I want to share it with someone, I can share this code. I can just copy it. I can send it to someone and they'll be able to upload that party template into their account. And one other cool thing that I have set up for our team is I have a team Live the Life You Love page, or I'm not sure how to explain it. Here, I'll go on and show you. Click on team page, and this is going to have your shoot, I went to the wrong thing. So this is your code. You can go in and you can enter the team code Zaya1, and you can enter your team. So you're going to be able to enter here, and then you'll have access to any of the templates that I have in here. So here is our team. team name. Here's the Facebook template. So I uploaded the 2-day party template. So if you want access to this 2-day party template, then you go and enter that Zia1, go in and add yourself to the team, and then you can get this party template. So you click on the party template and you'll be able to import it into your Vizzlie account. So copy to personal, and then you'll be able to put that right into your account and you'll have access to this party template. Now I'm going to create one for mystery hostess. I'm going to create a launch party, a multi-day party, our 1-day party. Any of our templates we have on our team page, I'm going to put them in here and you will have access to all of them. And all you have to do is go in, add Vizzlie to your group page, come in here, click on your groups and upload that template into your party and you're done. This is going to be super simple for you to save time and do all of the things. This is just a short version of what this program can do for you. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Let me know. Just go into Vizzlie. Let's see, I actually have a referral code. I will give you that. So I can click on referrals. When you go to Vizzlie, this is a code, so V6WXNXF. Get that, and then you'll be able to get $10. Well, if you refer to people, then you get $10 off. But that's a referral code that you can use. Sign up, and then, like I said, we have that team template. I'll go back to that again. You'll just click on join team, like what I just did. Put in Zia1, find team, find live the life you love, enter, and you will have access to all of those templates. How cool is that? So I made this for you. I'm going to keep adding templates, but this is so simple, super quick. So I'm super excited to share it with you.